Welcome back to the Imitation Learning series. In this video, we will explore how to use isaaclab mimic, also known as Groot mimic, to automatically generate additional demonstrations from just a few recorded ones. After recording and annotating your teleoperated episodes, we can use Groot mimic to expand our dataset. This allows the policy to learn successfully even with limited manual demonstrations. This command automatically generates new variations of your demonstrations. Here, num_n controls how many parallel environments you run. So 10 is a safe number even for laptop GPUs. Generation num trials sets how many total trials or demos are created. Groot Mimic is a powerful data generation tool. It helps us create thousands of motion demonstrations automatically, which are then used to train and fine-tune robot control policies. With Omniverse integration, we can visualize and analyze these demos in real time in a fully photorealistic and collaborative environment. Running this in headless mode allows faster generation. About 1,000 demonstrations usually provide strong training results for this task. So use this command. With this, we have successfully used Groot Mimic to boost our dataset and prepare for imitation learning training. In the next video, we will move on to training the policy using these generated demonstrations.